Hello everyone and welcome back. Sorry it's been a while. Kind of forgot about this channel, so I have a gaming channel down in the description that I'll start uploading on pretty soon. So if you want to go subscribe to that, link will be in the description. So let's just get straight into it. So I'm actually just gonna be making a banner, as you can probably tell by the title. But you're gonna go up to, so basically once you get into Photoshop, you're well actually if you don't have Photoshop, Photopea is a great alternative, which is a website. And it's basically just Photoshop, but it's free. So the size that I'm using is 2560 by 1440. That's pretty much the recommended YouTube banner size. To start out, I'm actually gonna do Control R. I already had the rollers up, so let's do Control R. Drag it down until it snaps in the center. So for the the width, you're just gonna drag it to, or for the y-axis, you're just gonna drag it down at 720 because that's the center, and for the x, you're gonna do it for 1280 because that's half of our overall size. And then I am actually gonna add a gradient. I can basically choose whatever gradient you want. I think I'm gonna do this a gray gradient, and you want it to be on radial and drag out. Oh, mine needs to be in reverse. There we go. See, that looks nice. Yeah, we're actually not until it's about the edges. That's about nice. Okay. Now I'm actually just gonna add some text. I'm actually gonna add like. First of all, you're gonna want it to be in the center. Why is that like that? That is not nice. Why is this spaced out? 5. My name is Clisp, so I'll just do Clisp. I'm using the Heroes Legend font because I think it looks nice. Let's be honest, you can't go wrong with the Heroes Legend. So I am actually on scaling this. I'm actually just gonna get right in the center. Honestly, that's about centered. I honestly don't have anything else I really want to add. So I'm just gonna stick it in the center, and I'm actually going to make this a. What color do I want my text? I could make it like a gray, or I could make it mint, which is really the color my channel is resembled around. I think I'm gonna do a white and then add a like a gray or like a mint stroke. Or do I want to do that? I don't know. Maybe I'll just make it mint. Sorry, I'm contradicting. I'm just honestly. I can't think right now. I'll just make it white, and so basically once you've selected your color, you're gonna duplicate your layer, or you can drag down and do Control or Alt and then click and drag. And then once you've done that, you're gonna make sure it's centered with it. Drag it down, make sure it's below our original. And I'm actually just gonna make this a gray. I'm gonna make that unshown so I can. So now we have this, right? And it looks kind of 3D, but it's not. It's unfinished at the edges. What I'm gonna do is I am actually going to rasterize this layer. Rasterize type, sorry. And I'm going to take a polygonal lasso tool, and I'm gonna make sure I have my. I'm gonna make sure that I have, or I'm gonna get color as my secondary, or I'm gonna get this color, I'm gonna get my secondary color, and I'm going to select, make sure you have that rasterized layer selected. I'm going to click and drag, just finish it off basically, like that, and do Control Backspace, and it fills it in. Except I want to do it on the edge more. Otherwise, it's gonna look ugly. Out. There we go. Okay, see? Except for the fact that this guy needs to be magic eraser. There we go. Now it's not as stand out. So, see? It's like finish it off and it looks nice. The fact that this guy up here. Why are you not erasing? Oh, it's because it's on this original. Well, I guess I'll fix that. I could, but I don't want to rasterize the other there. So, and I could add alert style. Actually, I could, but I'm just gonna do the same thing on this that I did with the other one. Finish it off. So you don't go like around there. Except for the fact that this is being annoying. Doesn't look. Okay, that looks better. Just gonna continue doing this. I'll speed this up. I was just showing you guys how to do it, so you guys know. I'll speed this up and put on some chill music, so. Okay, so I'm done. As you can see with this, I didn't try and connect it here because it's 3D and I'm trying to get it so that it's because I'm not trying to get it to line up with this. I'm trying to get it to line up with this curve. So that's why I did that. Once you're done, you should have a nice 3D text. I'm actually is that? Of course it is. Why wouldn't it be uneven? Okay, I feel like I have OCD, honestly. I always have to pretty much be joke. Like even the smallest little detail, like if it's messed up, it annoys. Okay, so basically what I've done is I have my stroke, and I'm just gonna make a, yeah, that looks nice. I'm gonna add bevel and emboss. Make it 90. That's not gonna do anything because it's just white on white. Add an inner shadow. Make it like that so it just looks that bit even more 3D. Drop shadow. Add up to like there. Make the distance. Drag size down some. Outer glow, yeah. Get an outer glow, that would be nice. Red. That looks nice. Okay, so I think that's our text done. Now we are actually gonna add some cool shape. Okay, I'm gonna add some cool shapes now. I'm gonna create a new layer above the background but below the text. I don't need text. I'm gonna go from this corner down to here-ish. That. Don't know how to, actually I'm gonna get up here. If you guys don't know how to use the text or the pen tool, put a link in the description to Edward DZ or Griffin GFX's video on how to use the pen tool, and that'll show you how to make it or how to use it. So I'm just gonna make the selection, and I'm gonna select a nice color that I want. I'm gonna use a mint. Like this. Actually, it doesn't even matter what color I'm gonna use because I'm gonna add a gradient overlay. Actually, I was using normal gradients. Gradient overlays are buggy, don't work. And I'm gonna unreverse it, make it that. I'm actually gonna add another little one. Make that one gray. Okay, make selection. And I'm gonna make this one a that looks nice. I like that. Just gonna add a few more, and then we can copy and paste it and put it on the other side. Just gonna add some more chill music, and I'll finish doing this, and I'll see you guys when it's done. I'm just gonna add a new layer for this. Half bad. Okay, so I'm done now, so I'm just gonna select both of these and I'm going to duplicate layers. I'm going to go edit, transform, flip horizontal, flip upside down. And drag both these. And you could also add a few more touches if you wanted, so I'm just gonna actually adding them. Okay, so I'm done now, so I'm just gonna I really like that, so I'm just gonna keep that. Select both of these, copy and paste. Then I'm going. Don't I have thought I had hotkeys set for this. Where's H for or Control H for horizontal. Control G vertical. I like that. That looks nice. So yeah, actually, if you have your logo, mine is honestly just. I think I might put that instead of text. You can't, if you don't want to, you don't have to. But I think I honestly want to. I think I. Okay, we got it. Scale it up a bit. Now there are align tools. Yeah, it's centered. Okay, so that is that. Now we are actually gonna do a group, and we are gonna add a drop shadow. Maybe a stroke. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you hit that notification bell and subscribe. If you don't, there's a chance you might never see my content on YouTube again. Don't take that risk. This is Crisp signing out. Peace.